So I turned on my YouTube this morning to check for any new stuff coming out, especially the Mini 5 Pro. Supposed to be coming out next Tuesday, but still no little videos. Anyway, today I want to thank yet again Nobby. Nobby yesterday said there was a new update on the DJI Fly app, but not on your mobile phones, guys. It was only on your RC2 and your RC Pro 2 controllers. So no doubt there's possibility that it's going to be an update on the actual mobile phone app. God, it gets confusing, doesn't it? What I did notice is that when I turned on my controller, because you don't need to turn your drone on, guys. Now, what I'm doing at the moment, I'm charging my battery up because I want to go out and check to make sure there's no problems with flying the drone. So it's only your controllers. Now, I've got both on at the moment. What was interesting, it comes straight up on the screen to do the update. And what I've done is you just scroll down from the right hand side and you can see it downloading at the moment. And it's nothing big. As Nobby said, can't see anything that's changed, but I will do a test flight in a mo. The most annoying thing, I had a message from Ron, because I thought maybe it was just me. You get this annoying message comes up on your screen every time you turn it on. And now I thought maybe on the last update that would have got rid of that, but it hasn't. But we'll see after it's been updated, which I believe it's just been done now. So it's asking you to install it now, which I'm about to do. That annoying thing's still there, so that's going on. Right, so that's just uploading now. What I will do, as always, it's always best to go through your settings, guys, just to see it hasn't changed anything, because it does do that every now and again. Right, so what I need to do, I need to turn the drone on to check the settings. So I'll get back to you and Mo on that, but just check what's going on this one first. Open it up. I do love the way it does. Right, so obviously one of the things I'm going to have to do is connect it to the controller, because I've been flying other drones. Top right, we'll just have a quick flick through. The brakes on, good. I've got my altitude, looks all right. No other problems there. Let's go on to control. I've got my Imperial, which is no problem. I've got my follow mode. It's all looking good. Camera, pretty norm. Full, yeah. Got my grid lines on. Format. Do a format. Okay. SD card. So just do that one. I always like going out with a nice clean card, guys. And we just check to see the new app version, which is the 1.17.7. That all looks good. But just do check for updates, because you never know. They could do it straight away. Okay. I'm sure next week, if this Mini 5 Pro is coming out, with the amount of stuff we've been seeing lately with photographs, I'm hoping it's coming out next week. There's going to be a load more updates, guys. So we'll just see what happens. Okay, so that's all done. So the next thing you'll see is I'll be out flying this drone. See you in a moment. So it's 3 o'clock this afternoon, I think. Let's have a quick check at my old clock. Yes, just coming up 3:15. The temperatures at the moment are 31, but that's in the shade, guys, so it's going to probably be about 35, 36 now. So good time to test it as well. Still waiting for the set. Point updated. Okay, so we're in. So what I'm going to do auto takeoff. Okay. Okay, auto takeoff. So we're just going to do a couple of tests to see if the avoidance works. Yeah, that's good. So that's one good Test. Okay. I'm going to do active track first. Okay. So I'm just going to walk about just to see how good it is. I'm sure it's fine. Quick turnabout. Okay. I'm just going to come out of that and mow. Let's do another box around me. Let's do point of interest. Let's go anti-clockwise. And we go the other way. So it should go clockwise now. Yep, that's pretty good. So that looks fine. We're going to stop that. Come out of the box. We'll go over to MasterShots. I always love doing MasterShots because it does everything. So I've got a box around me. 2 minutes. 3. Okay. One of the other reasons I like coming here, even though it is a bit dodgy, is we got quite a lot of pylon cables about. So it started, but he ain't done nothing. Okay, so I don't know if that's a problem. Do it again.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's zoom in out. Okay, I'm going to do one more test. It's a little bit drastic, but I think it's always worth trying it out every now and again. Okay, so that's finished. We put it back into that. Okay, put it back into video. No, that's photo, sorry, video. Okay. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to send it off. Just send it off that way. Alright, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to turn off the controller. So I'm just turning that down. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off.
So shutting down the, I don't know if hopefully you can see that. So I've shut down the controller. I might as well put that away. So that the controller is off. So officially the drone should come back. Now remember, I had it in my hand, so it's not going to land in my hand, obviously. This is one of the best built-in safety devices, I think. So if for some reason your controller packs up for some reason, battery, loss of signal, that drone should come back to you. And even though it's the flip, and I ain't got a lot of faith in the flip, I know it's going to come back to me. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it's coming back. Okay. All right. What's your fingers, Sean? Okay, it's not landing. Oh, which it is. It's landing now. So I try to catch it. And if you don't believe me, because I have to bend. No, don't do that. That's the only other thing I don't like about this. When you touch it at the side, it goes into one of its modes. So it's back. I'm just going to shut it up.
Follow.
Nope. Now officially that was supposed to shut down, but it hadn't. So I'm going to have to turn it off manually to be safe. Okay. So that's off now, nice and safe. I can put that away in my bag knowing it's not going to do any problems. So I couldn't see anything wrong with it. Okay, when I did the active track, it didn't do it straight away, but I think that's probably more to do with me, maybe. But it did it at the second time. So if anybody's got that sort of problem, let me know. Well, let me know if you've got any problems with it, because the reason why DJI does these updates is because people are telling them that they've had a problem, and they're obviously trying to rectify it. It'd just be helpful if they actually put on there what they've actually done, because then that will give us a chance to what to look out for. So, do you want to do the update? That's up to you, but I can just safely say, if the Mini 5 Pro is coming out next week, there's going to be a lot more new updates, guys. So, as always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.